Good morning, it's Tony talking car biz. I'm here at Smart Motors Toyota in Madison, taking a look at this used 2017 Toyota Tacoma SR5 edition. Super nice, super clean truck with 38,000 miles on it. This is a SR5 double cab, and up front here you can see we do have the factory fog lights, projector style headlights, and then this one has a satin black wheel finish. That's your alloy wheel. And then because this one's got 38,000 miles on it, it needed new tires, so we went ahead and took care of that for you, so you won't need new tires anytime soon. Also, you'll see it does have tubular step rails. Take a look at the body as I move along here. It's very clean. It also has factory mud guards. These are the oversized mud guards, so that'll protect the bottom of the vehicle. This one does have an aftermarket tonneau cover, which would not be covered under the warranty, but it looks to be in pretty good condition, so it might be the right item for you. Also, this one does have the original all-season mud flat or floor mats, but it only has the front ones. There are no back ones on this one. There's your composite bed on the inside. And then we do have a Class 3 trailer towing package, and it is all pre-wired up in there. So let me just pop this up here. So there's your wiring right here for your trailer towing, lighted step bumper as well. And then we do have a backup camera right up underneath or right next to the door handle there, if you will. This is a midnight gray metallic, and those wheels really look sharp on there. Now, one of the things about the inside of it is it has the red contrast trim on the inside, so it looks different, looks nice. We do have the original spec sheet on it, the Carfax vehicle history report. It is a one owner, according to Carfax, has not been in an accident. Back seats are cloth, and those do fold down 60/40. There's 3 seat belts, so you'll be able to fit 3 passengers in the back. 2 adults and a child, or 3 children probably works best. Power windows, door locks. This is a manual seat, and you'll see the seats do have the red stitching in them, and that matches that red trim on the inside. We do have a 6.1-inch touchscreen. Does not have navigation. There's your temperature control, heated outside mirrors. There's power ports up there, and some storage and cup holders as well. It is an automatic transmission. And then here's your center console with an additional power port down at the bottom as well. And then coming across the steering wheel, it is a leather wrap steering wheel, perforated leather, and we've got controls on there for your cruise control, your sound system, your Bluetooth connectivity. Here's a quick look at the gauges, and then your overhead console with the sunglass holder built right in there. The rearview mirror is an auto dimming rearview mirror. So if you like to have a vehicle that has a little bit different style on the inside, the gray and red looks pretty nice. Guess it's a personal preference. So once again, this is a 2017 Toyota Tacoma SR5 double cab 4-wheel drive with the Class 3 trailer towing package and the 3.5 liter V6 engine. It's available right here at Smart Toyota in Madison. Stop by, take a look, take it for a drive, take it home. Thanks for watching.